Hey everybody, Steve with Spring Holler Farms. This is where we're at on the construction so far. We started on the house wrap, got 2/3 of it wrapped. We got the soffit and the fascia all finished. Up the peak, down the other side, the boxes, bird boxes. You might see a little bit of wood right there, but it's going to be covered by the corner, the end piece on the metal siding. Got the windows in, obviously. Got a lot of wood split. We're ready for the gutter guy to come and finish out the gutters so that we don't have all this erosion and water getting into the basement. You can see here we got this is what it's all going to look like when it's done. Got this kind of a deep dark chocolate brown. They call it burnished slate. It's a nice color, contrasts really well with the white. So this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. We have a nice week of weather coming up. Highs in the low 80s, low humidity, sunshine, no rain. We're going to get it done. This whole side and the back, it's all going to look like that. It's going to be finished. That will be a great feeling. Thanks for watching.